Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Just a few weeks ago, we shared with you the top 5 kitchen crates of 2020. And today I want to share with you the top 5 bath crates of 2020. We had a fantastic year last year in terms of kitchens and bathrooms, and I think you're going to be just as amazed by these bath crate projects as you were by the kitchen crate projects. So let's jump right into it in reverse order. Coming in at number 5, Bath Crate Zinfandel Drive in Escalon. This is a beautiful open vanity project with a thick slab top and only one sink to maximize counter space. It feels so clean and open, and the vanity is the Ansari Design Elizabeth 48-inch vanity set. Just a gorgeous piece of furniture for this project. The tall faucet looks amazing. That faucet is actually a Price Pfister Contempora faucet in chrome. And as we pivot around to the floor tile, you'll see the Bedrosian's Allura Gray hexagon tile. The shower has a beautiful tile set up with a niche, and inside that niche is the white Carrera mosaic tiles. There you go, the number 5 bath crate of 2020, Bath Crate Zinfandel Drive in Escalon. Coming at number 4, Bath Crate Spyglass Drive in Stockton. Now, this same project won in the kitchen crate category. We did a few rooms for this particular customer, and I think that you'll appreciate the bath crate as well. Let's jump right in. Now, one of the things you'll notice about this project and a few other bath crate winners is the freestanding or soaking tub type of concept. It really won the day in 2020. On this particular project is the Wyndham Collection Soho soaking tub. Now, as we move into the shower area, a really bright, nice, white, airy shower tile with the Bedrosian's winter wall tile in color Blanco. And at the shower floor, a really cool hexagon pattern white Carrera marble floor. As we pivot over to the vanity area, it's the Wyndham white vanity with a Carrera top, tying in all the materials on this project into just a really good visual focal point. So that's number 4, Bath Crate Spyglass Drive in Stockton. Coming in at number 3, Bath Crate Noni Avenue 2 in Escalon. We've already done a bath crate on this particular street a few years back, and this project came in at number 3 for a few different reasons. Number 1, it also has the Wyndham Collection Soho soaking tub, just a really popular fixture in 2020. And the dual vanities on this project really add some color and some depth to this particular design. They're the Wyndham Avery bath vanity in dark gray with a marble vanity top. The new light fixtures in this project make a huge improvement and just the overall space, feel, and function of this particular bathroom. So there you go, that's our number 3 bath crate of 2020, Bath Crate Noni Avenue 2 in Escalon, California. Coming in at number 2, Bath Crate Grand Canyon Lane in San Ramon. This is our first Tri-Valley project making the list this go-round. And let's take a look at this shower area because I think you're really going to appreciate some absolutely gorgeous shower tile. It's the Bedrosian's Glorious White Marble, just a really clean, bright looking space for this particular customer. And it really plays well with the shower fixtures, which is a Delta Dryden series, also in a stainless finish. The vanity top on this project is gorgeous. It's an LG Via Terra quartz in a color Menu. And the top of the cabinet, we call that a tower. It's just an additional cabinet section that creates some good storage and a nice bit of visual interest. So there you go, Bath Crate Grand Canyon Lane in San Ramon, California. And last but not least, coming in at number 1 is Bath Crate Summer Tree Drive in Livermore, California. Now this project went a little bit against the design grain that we tend to see with the cooler tones in that it has some really dark, rich, warm tonality to this project. So number 1, you're going to see a kind of a rustic looking vanity. Once again, those warm earth tones that really kind of make the space feel cozy and warm, and really a classic type of color palette for this particular project. The tile in the shower, it complements the other elements really well. That's a Bedrosian's Toscano tile in a color Classico. And as we take a look at the shower floor tile, really adds to a spa-like feel with the Bedrosian's Hemisphere Mosaic in color Balboa. So there you go, that's the number 1 bath crate project of 2020, Bath Crate Summer Tree Drive in Livermore. If you'd like to explore your own kitchen or bath crate in 2021, give us a call at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbCrate.com. We would love to meet with you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.